Mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell, are like the engines that keep our bodies running. They convert the food we eat into the energy our bodies need to perform all functions, from the simplest to the most complex. But what makes mitochondria truly fascinating is their uniqueness. Unlike other parts of your cells, mitochondria have their own DNA, separate from the DNA in the nucleus of our cells. This peculiarity has led to numerous theories and debates in the scientific community, each more intriguing than the last. However, regardless of their origin, one thing is clear: mitochondria are indispensable. They play a crucial role in numerous cellular processes beyond energy production, including calcium homeostasis, apoptosis, and cell signaling. So the next time you're running a marathon, studying for an exam, or simply enjoying a walk in the park, remember the tiny cities within your cells, working tirelessly to power your every move. The world of mitochondria, ladies and gentlemen, is indeed a world full of wonder.